name's Pearl and I'm going to teach you how to do some background. So get your block and choose some bright colours. Choose 3 colours and colour it across your block. So move your markers out of the way and push your block up the top. So get some watercolour cardstock and wet it. Mum, can you help me?
Okay, Pearly.
So now we're going to wet the palette. Now dip this into your palette. Drag it back towards you.
Can I do this one?
Okay.
Ooh. Okay, you do it. What do you want to do?
Put that.
Okay. Wow. Are you making a background? Cool. Let's drop it this way. I could use this for scrapbooking, could I?
Sure.
That looks excellent.
Why don't we swish it around a bit?
Looks great. Let me... Can I keep this for scrapbooking?
Sure.
Let's move it.
So, now we are going to do a sunset picture. So these are the colours I have chosen. Mom, can you wet me a thing?
Okay. I'll squirt this. Are you ready to dip?
Yeah.
I'll squish it right down on there. And I'll drag it towards you. Oh, that looks good. 1, 2. Hang on. Do you want to do that on that other one?
Okay.
I'm going to put some drips on the other background you made me. You going to drag it? Wow, that looks good. This looks great. This is going to make a great scrapbooking background. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now wait for them to dry and turn them into cards. When your cards are dry, get your mum to help you put on a black background.
Okay, so which one am I doing, Pearl?
You're doing that one.
This one? That one looks good.
So, you can put stuff anywhere you want.
Is that what you wanted? I'll glue it for you because I don't have any other glue. Across the bottom.
Like that.
Who's next?
This guy.
Alright, he's probably got enough glue. Where do you want him?
Here.
Yeah? This little guy, maybe mount him up. Just want to stick him up on that?
Okay.
Got it?
So we got some mounting tape on this guy.
Do you want a round one or do you want one of these ones? Choose your birthday sentiment and then we'll mount that up too. You can choose whatever one you want.
This one.
That one? Nice and straight.
So this one's finished, and let's do another one. I'll put that here, that here, this here, and that there.
That looks good. So would you choose one of these happy birthday sayings?
I'll choose a white one to go here. Joshy's calling me back.
Okay.
Right.
Pearl, I think that looks fabulous. So would you like me to glue that down for you?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, if that glue dries, can I have it?
Yes. So this branch was going across here like this. A big kookaburra. Do you want to put him on mounting tape? I think he'll look great on mounting tape.
Okay. You do glue, I'll do mount.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Pearl, put him on the branch where you want him. Perfect. We'll sneak it under here. Is that straight? Okay, where do these guys go?
They... Oh!
Oh, he doesn't fit. We'll put him on another card. We'll make another one.
Mummy, Daddy. And the daddy can be wearing a big hat. Can I stick it?
These guys are going to sit down here, huh? Wow, Pearl, your cards look fabulous. Thank you so much for helping me today. Mummy didn't get that straight. Thank you so much for helping me today, Pearl. Your backgrounds look amazing. Thank you. See ya.